working from home, doing small tasks, is it even worth it? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I want to answer the question, is it worth it to do these small task jobs that a lot of people talk about? Now, first of all, small task jobs are jobs that require very little effort, but you get paid very little at the same time, right? So examples of this would be like Humanitech, companies I talked about before, where basically you get paid to categorize calls and you listen to phone calls and put them in different groups. Amazon Turk, which is a company where you can do very, very small tasks like rate something or research something, and you get like 10 cent, 25 cent, a dollar, stuff like that. There's a lot of click workers, another example of that, where you just get paid for doing very small things. But when it comes to working from home, right, is doing those types of jobs sustainable, right? Is it worth it when it comes to, your income earning, your potential and everything like that? Here's my take on it, right? Being completely honest. I really think it depends on you and what you're trying to do. Similar to a video I did a few weeks ago, I think it was talking about Slice the Pie or something, where you get paid, which is another example where you get paid to listen to music and you write short reviews, right? I was basically saying, if your goal is to just make a little bit of extra change, at the end of the month, 50 to $100 maybe, to pay your phone bill or maybe go out to eat or catch a movie, great, right? Like, it's cool. It's like you could do this stuff in your spare time. The money will add up doing these small task jobs, but it's, you have to let it add up, because none of these places, like, and I wish it was, it'd be cool if like Amazon Turk or Humanitech, you literally can just sit there, guarantee work and do something and just get $1 for clicking 3 buttons. Click, 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 dollar. Click, 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 dollar. That's great. But a lot of these companies that have these small tasks, they run out of these small tasks because you got thousands of people trying to do the same thing. So you might be able to do, 10 tasks that earns you, 75 cents, right? Okay, you know what I mean? Granted, you can sign up with a lot of different companies that offer small tasks, but then you'll be sitting there for 10 hours a day, and at the end of the day, you might have earned, what, 15 bucks, so, like I said, it depends on what you're trying to do. Now, if you're trying to do that, I'm trying to build an online business, or I'm trying to get into this and make a part-time income or a full-time income, and you're still asking about doing small tasks, I'm going to still say, yeah, you can do small tasks if it's not taking away too much from your ultimate work from home goal, or if it's not taking away from your true home business, right? If you can find time to do Amazon Turk or Humanitech or a couple survey sites, legit survey sites, if you can find time to do that, I would do it. But take any money you get from them small task jobs and put it into your main home business or your main goals or work from home, whatever you're trying to do. Take that money and don't spend it on the movies or the or your phone bill. Take it directly from that account and put it towards marketing for your home business, courses that like, and educational courses that'll help you make more money in your home business. That's it. Other than that, like, if you're just doing it, like, you're not gonna make a straight living off of doing small tasks, because that, to me, they will never add up enough, to make you happy and to make you like, yeah, I work from home doing small tasks. It ain't gonna happen, right? But Like, that's what you got to do. Like, realize like what your goals are. Like I said, if you're watching this video, chances are you want to make a little more than $50 to $100 a month, right? So, and I know just getting started, you just want to see that money in your account. And I will recommend, if you're just trying to see money in your account just to get started mentally, yeah, do some small tasks. Do Humanitake, do Slice the Pie, do Clickworker, do Amazon Turk, just to get that feel of making money. Cool. But if your ultimate goal is that, I would just use it, take that money, and put it into your own business. All right. That's my take on it. And all them sites that I named, you can join them, sign up with them and start earning that extra cash. All right. Hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to this channel because you see I'm dropping this content. And if you want to see what I'm doing and do a home business where you can make a passive income that can turn into go from part-time to full-time, check out Genesity, link in the description of this video. If you have any questions about Genesity or anything else in this video, you can shoot me a call. A call or a text, because my number is also in the description of this video. So I will see you in the next one. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.